Auto Star of Hendersonville, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. I'm Heather Brockwell.
I'm Austin Cash.
And we would like to show you the features of our multi-function tailgate on this amazingly beautiful 2020 Ram. So it opens like a barn door this way. And some people might wonder what the purpose of this is, but I personally have horses and we load a lot of shavings and dirt. And I'm still short, but if you have stuff loaded and you're trying to scoop stuff out with a shovel, or you need to get back to the back and reach, most people that are a little bit taller than I am wouldn't have a problem reaching towards the back when you open the tailgate up like this. When you shut it, open it normal, and it's still dampened, and it has a 2,000-pound weight limit, so can put a whole party of people on the tailgate.
Come see us, Auto Star.